guide, I will be showing you guys how to make and receive phone calls directly on a Windows 11 PC. Let's get started. Click on the search bar and type in phone link. After it appears, click on open. Once it launches, choose the type of device you are using, such as Android, and make sure you are signed in with your Microsoft account. On a phone, open the camera and scan the QR code shown on your PC screen. Then tap the link that appears and press continue. You will be asked to sign in with your Microsoft account on a phone to complete the connection. After signing in, return to your PC, click continue, and then select get started to finish the setup. Once everything is connected, you'll be able to send and receive text messages directly from your PC. To make or receive calls, click on the calls option at the top of the phone link app. Press get started and you'll then be able to dial numbers and handle incoming calls straight from a Windows 11 PC. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.